Well, here we are. We're here in the kitchen area underneath the awning with the original Sierra. When you're about camping, it is all about where you eat, where you live. And we really wanted to design a nice, big, open, functional kitchen for to use when you're out on the trails. First and foremost, opening up the big side locker door to expose the kitchen. Lighting underneath here as well, and then you can see this is where everything happens. Great storage above with lift up doors, and the doors are actually on torque hinges, so they'll sit there and stay, so you can easily get out all the stuff that you need, and then the doors back down with push button locks to lock them away. So when you are on the off-road trails, all your bits and pieces aren't falling around everywhere. You've got a nice big large overhead cabinet here. Nice big deep drawer, that's about 1 foot and a bit deep. That's going to give you plenty of room for your tongs, egg flips, some of those bigger utensils. Your sink with your hot and cold tap when you're connected to your hot water system. And then around the corner here you've got all your area for your plates, cups, and then your utensil drawer underneath here for knives, forks, spoons, and all the bits when you're off on the trails. Also, for extra storage, the Sierra is all about storage. You can lift up the sink, and then you've got plenty of storage in underneath here to hold some of those bigger pots, pans that you may be taking away, cooking on a fire with. We'll get to the electronics soon, but what's camping without cold beer and cold food? So you definitely need a fridge space. And this one here's got a fantastic opportunity. So this Sierra is fitted with a dual stage slide. So you've got your first stage here. We've got the 60 litre Evercool fridge mounted on top. And then now you have a secondary shelf here. So with that secondary shelf, this is perfect to sit a small barbecue, fry pan, cooker, even some of your induction cookers if you're running lithium batteries and the bigger inverters. And then you've got your stainless steel locks into your fridge. Well, there you have it. There's the kitchen layout and setup for the new AOR Sierra. As you can see, it's a very functional design. So when you're out overlanding in the trails, this is going to be quite the setup and definitely the place you're going to want to cook overnight.